Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our Unit 1, and the theme of Unit 1 is relationships. So what is a relationship? Relationship is the manner in which two people or two groups or communities deal with one another. Let us read to find out how relationships can be established to build bridges. Bridges means gap. कि sometimes we are human beings na, so we love to maintain so many relationships in our life. Some relations are God gifted, like the relation of your mother and father, the relation of your brother and sister, or the relation of your cousins. But some relations we choose. We have the choice to choose those relations in our life. Like we choose our friends. Who will be my friend? To whom I want to make friend. That decision lies in me. So these relations are not made by the God. These are chosen by us, the human beings. So we are going to start section 1 of unit 1. The title of the section 1 is Little Children Wiser Than Men. That sometimes the circumstances prove that the small children are wiser than men. We all quarrel with our friends while playing. It's a very common phenomenon. When you sit together in the classroom, or when you play together in the classroom, or when you play with your friends in your neighborhood, so many a times the circumstances occur, or it occurs कि there is a fight between you and your friend. How much time does one take to forget about the quarrel? So how much time do you take to forget about the quarrel? If there is a fight between you and your friend, so how much time you take to talk to each other? Do you just stop talking to each other for some moment, like for an hour or for few hours or for a day or a week? So how much time do you take? Or sometimes after 5-10 minutes you just do the patch up and what you can say, enjoy your friendship again. So it is all about that how much time does one take to forget about the quarrel and be friends again. The story revolves around two friends. One is Malasha and other one is Akulya, who quarrel, but they had a fight. Both the girls had a fight, but soon they start playing together. But after the fight they forgot after some time they forgot about their fight and started playing together. So now we are going to read the story. It was Easter in Russia. So Easter is a festival which is celebrated in Russia, and like on the festival, or on the days or the eves of festival, we love to wear new clothes and enjoy with our family and friends. So the same situation was with Akulya and Malasha. It was the auspicious day of Easter in Russia. Snow still lay in the courtyards, and before the previous day or the yesterday or the previous days, there was a snowfall, and the whole courtyards, the courtyard is the open area in the house, was covered with the snow. Water ran in small streams down the village street, and you know that when the snow melts, it converts into the water, and because the whole area was covered with snow, so the water which is converted by melting of the snow ran into the small stream down the village street, and the dirty water formed a large puddle in a lane between two farmhouses. So there were two farmhouses, and the distance between them was covered by a small stream of water, dirty water, which created a large puddle. Puddle means what you can say, it can be called, let me show you what is the meaning of a puddle. Puddle is a small pool of dirty water. It's a small pool of dirty water. So two friends from neighboring houses, there were two friends and they were the neighbors. The name of the girls were Akulya and Malasha, met after returning from the church, and they met each other after they came back from the church. Hello Malasha, look at my new red and yellow dress. The girl was pretty excited because it was an auspicious day, and she had put on a new dress which was red and yellow in color. So very excitedly she wished her friend Malasha and tried to grab her attention that she has put on a new dress. What did Akulya say? It's beautiful, Akulya. I am also wearing a new purple frock today. Malasha was also wearing a purple color frock today, and it was her new frock. So both the girls were wearing new dresses. Malasha began to splash about in the water, and suddenly Malasha, she was a little bit naughty one, and she started jumping into the water. And when you jump or put your feet harsh into the water, so the water gets splashed. Okay, the tiny droplets scattered everywhere. And Akulya stopped Malasha and asked her to take off her shoes and stockings before stepping into the puddle. As she was putting on a new dress or the attire, she requested Malasha that she should remove her shoes and stocking before stepping into the puddle. That she should remove the stockings and her shoes before entering into the puddle. Malasha was a very naughty girl. She removed her shoes, she removed her stockings, and she was all set to step into the puddle. She put her feet hard into the puddle of water. And what did Akulya requested her? She requested her, don't splash water on me. The way she is putting her feet harsh in the water, see, the water gets splashed, and some drops of water or some part of water was even thrown on Akulya's dress. My mother will scold me, and she stopped Malasha to do such activities. She told her that her mother would scold her if her new frock get dirty. She had hardly said this when Malasha plumped down her foot so hard that the water splashed on Akulya's frock. She requested her, but the girl did not listen to her, and she plumped down. She pushed down her foot so hard into the water that the water splashed on Akulya's frock. And when she was doing so, Malasha's mother came out to see what was the wrong, and her mother came out to see what had happened. Unfortunately, Akulya's mother was passing by. It was bad luck. At the same time, Akulya's mother was passing by, and she saw her daughter and her dirty clothes, and she got very annoyed and angry with Akulya because of her dirty clothes, and she started scolding her girl. You naughty girl, what have you been doing? And she scolded the child or Akulya that what are you doing? The girl was innocent. It was not her fault. Whose fault was this? It was Malasha's fault. She plumped down her foot so hard that the water splashed on Akulya's dress, and she said to her mother, Mama, I did not do. My dress was not got dirty because of me. It myself. Who did that? Malasha did it. Who has made my frock dirty? Malasha. Akulya's mother seized Malasha. Seized means caught. Caught means pakarna. So mother caught Malasha and struck her on her back, and she slightly beat the child on the back. Malasha began to howl. Howl means cry. When you are being scolded by someone, or when you are being a little bit punished by someone, so you don't feel good, na? The similar happened with Malasha.